Yebo, yes. Ashem, Magunyiwe once. So I see a lot of people, the Sweet Guluva fans, ne? Hey, guys, in my entitlement issues. Yo. And Nimoshwa, ilabantu laba, ma celebrity la, who don't have a backbone to stand up for themselves. I still stand, Uguti. You are not going to come to my page and bully me into voting for something that I don't know or something that I don't watch. And if I disagree with you, you're going to threaten me, Uguti. We know Uguti Somizing 28, you are launching something. We know Uguti Somizing on a concert as I trust me. Watch. You were never my person in the first place. As I've said this before, guys. What did not make me will never break me. If your support comes with form of abuse, emotional abuse and bullying, keep it. Keep it. My people know me and my people will support me. You are not my person. If you don't threaten me, the support that you've never even given to me. I am launching something in 28. It's going to be a success because you were never a part of the people that are supporting me and that know my heart and that know my intentions. So I still repeat, I don't need it. I'm going to have a concert called Shades of Pink, Somizi Shades of Pink, in August. It will be sold out without you. I need just because ni bullish abantu into doing something that they don't agree with or they don't even know about. So when I say to you, stop bombarding us with your vote for Guluva Ntontoni, watch the space. Watch the space. Ilife yaqhubeka ngaphandle kwakho nithamze zabo uNkulunkulu nina. Suka hambani nozihenga futhi saphinda futhi hambani nothola isihlahla somewhere. Please. Watch the space. Niphinde niqhubeke niluke nisidina la. Hayibo, sasavele labo. AboNkulunkulu basemhlabeni. Sisi ngiyajabula. Hayi ngiyajabula bo. Hayibo. Imagine a person that has never even bought a ticket to your show or bought anything from the product that you're selling. We're gonna watch. You've always been a hater anyway in the first place. I don't need you. I know who I need. And my people know me. Sharp la. I glali katarla. You on the ceiling.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So Somizi Mhlongo claps back at Trolls after he said people must stop commenting please vote Sweet Guluva on his videos, because the fact that you guys forcing people ukuthi bavotele Sweet Guluva ngiko lokwenda ukuthi Sweet Guluva qene aluza. So uthi njena ngekeleni angalo Sweet Guluva wenu. Uthi makaphendula abantu after people said ukuthi he's selfish, akafuni kusetala umnyamntwana le naye azama kungena ku industry nayo la khona because of people why manje nyalo yena ngafuni ukuthi kusitakale uSweet Guluva. So he clapped back and said ukuthi aniyobhulisha lama celebrities who doesn't have a backbone, because yena njena kanqengi or uthi yena ama concerts akhe nema events akhe ayoba i-success njena ngaphandle kweni, because you guys niyathanda ukuthi ni project ema emotions enu ebantwini. Uthi yena kanqengile uSomizi and uthi angekazayekele khuluma just because you guys are now claiming ukuthi hey nito angeke nisambuka, angeke attend ma events akhe. Uthi his people will attend ma events akhe, akancengi nje ninephomani kuye, and he will never vote for something that he doesn't know.